Well, here we got HG, and let me see if it's really, as they say, barbecue cleaner. Let's see how it comes out. It's just basically kitchen roll, and it seems to do the job quite easily. No scropping. So yeah, definitely will recommend that. Easy, easy. And I'm not even bothered using a sponge, I'm just using a bit of kitchen roll paper. And yes, definitely recommend this stuff. Hours, and now this is what, 5 minutes, and it start looks like a barbecue. And it's also like give you like a foam effect, so that's even better. So it sticks onto the grease and it's just taking it off. It's the first time I'm using this. And I thought, oh, I'm just gonna give it first a try, see how it goes. Before I do the grill and that, and I'm actually introduced with it. What I would change is definitely prefer to do it in the summer. I'm doing this in the winter, but it's not too cold. Oh, I just lost that. I got that. hose pipe and wash it off.